If you have your key points ready but don't want to waste time, here is a simple, efficient, and professional PPT animation tutorial. This method is beginner-friendly and creates a high-end look in minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open your PPT and go to the View tab. Click Guides to show horizontal and vertical reference lines to help you align icons accurately. Next, insert a circle. Hold down the Shift key to insert a perfect circle instead of an oval. Hold Ctrl+Shift and drag to duplicate the circle. Repeat this until you have 4 evenly spaced circles. Adjust the spacing slightly so they look symmetrical. Select all 4 circles. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Now apply different colors to the 4 circles. I'm using the tetratic color scheme. It's vibrant, high contrast, and great for distinguishing different points. Apply these colors one by one, and you'll have 4 nicely colored circles. Next, insert icons inside the circles. These icons are built into Office. Go to the Insert tab and click Icons. You can choose any style you need or search by keyword if you already know what you want. I'm using a light line style icon set. You can select multiple icons at once and insert them all together. Click Insert and wait a moment for the icons to load. Select all the icons, resize them uniformly, change their color, and place each one centered in its circle. Now you have 4 styled icon circles. Now duplicate this slide 3 times using Ctrl+D, so you have 4 slides total. Let's edit the icons on each slide. On slide 1, select the last 3 icons and move them outside the slide to the bottom right, beyond the guide extensions. On slide 2, keep only the second icon. Move the others to the bottom left. On slide 3, keep only the third icon. Move the others to the bottom right. On slide 4, keep only the 4th icon. Move the others to the bottom left. Make sure you follow this order and direction precisely, or it will break the animation. Now each slide shows only 1 icon. Go back to slide 1. In the View tab, turn on grid lines to see the slide boundaries clearly. Select the circle, hold Ctrl+Shift, and scale it up until it extends beyond the slide edges. Then resize and position its icon on the left side of the slide. Repeat this for slides 2, 3, and 4. Enlarge the circle off slide, resize the icon, and place it on the left. Add your text content to each slide, using grid lines to align text neatly. Finally, select all 4 slides. Go to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition. Set duration to 1 second for a smooth, tight animation. And there you go. A fun, clean PPT animation is complete. This is how it looks in action. If you like this tutorial, just follow along. It's really simple. That's it for today's sharing. I'm Dream. Subscribe to my channel for more fun PPT tips and tricks. See ya!